be telling you about my art, which the names are reuse, recycle, rebuild, and rethink. When people want to save the earth, all they say is, "Oh, I'll put this piece of wrapper in a little blue box." Well, that might help the earth, but not so much. So, when people want to help, if you want to help the world, there's many other causes you can help. Like water is very sacred right now. California is kind of in a drought, so it's getting really, really, really hot these days. So people need to be hydrated. So in some places, there's not even water. That's called dehydration. And even if some places do have water, it's probably contaminated with bad substances. And I'm thinking that's why you should also turn on the faucet when you're like brushing your teeth. When you're brushing your teeth, like you can brush your teeth, put the cream on, and then voila, you can just turn it off. Another thing is people want to buy new clothes all the time, which I don't really get because in my art it shows that many things have been going around, so it's not very good to be wasting. So you should probably reuse your clothes. Like some people go, "Oh, I'll go to the mall," and then they just buy a pair of clothes and they say, I will wear this every single day." But they only just wear it for 3 or 4 days, and then they just throw it in a pile in a wardrobe that has a million pairs of clothes. So I don't think you should be wasting. People are just trying to act cool, so they got a new car, they say, "Oh, I'm going to buy a new Range Rover model, blah, blah, blah," or a Tesla, Cybertruck, or something like that. But you can also be cooler by helping the earth. You don't always have to use new cars. You can just also use a bus. When you use a bus, it's better communication with other people. Short stories. One time there was a contest with a Rubik's Cube. People were having contests on a bus. Isn't that cool? That also can build you and your friends. You can also go on walks. When you go on a walk, you also get exercise and fresh air.